Hello from the American Muscle Car Museum in Melbourne, Florida. Today out from the collection we have a stunning and very rare piece in a 1970 Plymouth Hemi Cuda. By many collectors, this Hemi Cuda is considered the holy grail in the car collector market. In 1970 it had a brand new E-body which was 5 inches wider and 3 inches longer to accommodate the larger motors. In the Hemi Cudas they made them in 70 and 71 only, and these were all produced in Hamtramck, Michigan. The base cost of these was $3,164. To add that massive power plant, the Hemi option was another $871.45. There were 652 of these produced, with 14 of them being convertibles. This is actually called Inviolate. In the Dodge version, or the brother version, was called Plum Crazy. This was an FC7 color code, and about 8% of these had this color on them. This also has the A22 code, which was the elastomeric bumpers front and rear. These cars were stunning cars to see coming down the road. You had your Goodyear Polyglass GT tires on it. This actually has the C55 bucket seat code in it, which has the white bucket seats, has the rally dash in it, has the slapstick shifter in it. And now what we all want to hear about, the Hemi motor. This is a 426 cubic inch, dual 4 barrels. This is 425 horsepower, and if you believe that, I'll be your next politician. This particular car has the A32 performance package, and that includes the 410 rear axle drive and a Dana 60 rear end. To compensate with as much torque as this had, they put 5 leaf springs on the right side and 6 on the left springs to kind of keep the power to the ground and keep the body twist out of there. We had this car in for annual maintenance. We got it out today. We're doing our adjustments, our tune on it, going to have a little fun with it. We'll detail it out and get it back in the museum. Thanks for watching.